Well, well, well.
What do we have here? Episode number 7. Whoa, Greg is excited for episode 7, aren't you?
We both have our drinks, but Alleen's is non-alcoholic.
And that's okay. For those of you that don't feel like it, you can just take an energy drink, right, Greg?
So, Alleen, tell us about our LJ. Are we allowed to tell everyone yet on YouTube or no?
Well, we have an LJ that we purchased, but stay tuned for the full walk around on next week's episode. But this week, we're on episode 7, and we're working on the TJ's rear.
My favorite part of the Jeep Wrangler TJ. So if you haven't done so, please hit that subscribe button. It helps us grow. It helps us reach a bigger group of people. We love making these videos, and it wouldn't be possible without your support. Now, on this week's episode, we are going to be installing a third brake light ring. We are going to do a license plate relocation, as well as a flagpole mount on the rear. And we are installing a Pro Clip USA phone mount on the Jeep Wrangler TJ.
Here we go, episode 7.
Lots and lots to do.
Let's do it.
We are going to be doing all of this using simple hand tools, minus an air gun that we are going to be using for that rear tire there. Isn't that right?
That is right. That is right. That is right. All my neighbors are going to hear.
How excited are you for this one?
I'm excited. I love the episodes that add a little knick-knack all around the Jeep and down.
So if you are looking for a flagpole mount or a license plate relocation kit, or even one of the best wired charging phone mounts available for your Jeep Wrangler, then stay around. Let's do it.
Now, a lot of you that have purchased a Jeep stock don't really need to relocate that license plate. But the reason we do is because we have added the hook road rear bumper and tire carrier. So it covers part of our license plate, and we want to make sure it's visible to all, which is why we have decided to relocate it.
And we also have another mod coming up.
1 or 2 or 3 or 4 a million? Yeah.
Should we show them the garage?
I don't
Is
know.
that appropriate?
You can show them. It's kind of a mess
We're gonna-
with the boxes.
Kind of a mess, but we're gonna do a very brief flash. Look at that. Look at this area. If you pause the video, you could see all of the different mods we have planned. Here is the hardtop from Top Lift Pros, and in fact, we have tons and tons of boxes, not to give away too much. So Alleen's gonna take the lead on this one. I'm just gonna record.
All right, let's take the tire off.
Hey all, catch.
Nope, nope. Oh my gosh.
Let's see the goods. Whoa, we got one of these on our other TJ. Now we have 3 TJs, one of them being an LJ. Check that thing out. We're gonna show you exactly how to wire it. All of these items will be in the description below. I will put the links to all of them, and we will get a night shot to show you how this looks. So here's that. Why don't we go ahead and unbox the Rocks Off-Road flag mount and license plate kit. When do you think we should reveal the LJ video? When do you guys want it? Why don't you guys drop in the comments? You guys want us to break up the video series and put the LJ reveal? Or do you guys want us to finish the white TJ series, for which we are at least several months out? What do you guys think? Why don't you drop a line below? Check that out.
Oh, there it goes. Unbox, unbox. Well, since we're getting a flag mount, what flag are we gonna add, Greg? Oh, is that... Oh no.
This is really nice.
That's
Beautiful.
wow.
God bless America, guys.
Wow, I like that.
Thank you to all that have served and all the various locations, like the firefighters, police,
The different
military.
branches.
Thank you all for serving. We appreciate it. We wouldn't be able to make these videos if it wasn't for you guys. So thank you so much. My heart wouldn't have been able to handle that. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and do some wiring. So here's the original wiring we have right here. We're just gonna go ahead and strip. very generous here.
We're generous here at Garage Couple.
GC Customs.
You wish.
Part of Eileen's book. If you haven't seen it, check out our Amazon store.
Let's test it out.
Oh yeah, that looks so good. We'll show you what it looks like at night. And this is what it looks like at nighttime. What do you think?
Well, I can't see it on. You tell me, how did it look?
Here, why don't I show it?
Great. Awesome. Love it.
Fantastic. America 2024. Thank you, Eileen, for coming.
All right, put the tire on. Let's keep going. On to the flag mount.
On to the flag mount. If you haven't seen, we have previously used these Rocks off-road flag mounts, and we absolutely love them. The only thing that you're gonna need other than what's provided in the kit is some red Loctite. We're gonna do one better. We're gonna put some blue Loctite.
You're probably wondering what flag we are going to rock on our TJ. For those of you that have been following along, TJ.
Did Ollie just say CJ?
No, I didn't.
Let's wind the tape.
I didn't. On Greg's Rubicon, we were rocking our OG GC logo. That was the wrench, the G, and the C on the side. So let me show you guys the flag that we're going to be putting on our newest TJ. Back up so you see the whole flag. Pretty cool if you ask me. The instructions are pretty simple. Here they are, but we're gonna show you anyways. All right, Greg. Step 1, stationary base plate just slides right on, you see? Step 2, hire a buff man to put your tire back on.
I'm not for hire.
Yeah, we know.
Where did I put those pesky lug nuts?
Step 3, lug nuts.
Pesky lug nuts.
Pesky. Use your adjectives, ladies and gents.
What other adjectives could you think of for lug nuts?
Not sure.
So the next thing you're gonna do is slide on the attachment plate, just like so, in a vertical fashion, which is what will attach to both the license plate bracket as well as that flag mount. We're almost there, and we are so excited to show you what the interior phone holder looks like for our Android phones. Let's do it.
Go ahead and put some Loctite on.
Oh my gosh, are we out? We're out.
No.
So blue Loctite is permanent Loctite, but you know, if you torque it hard enough, it becomes temporary. So the reason why you don't want a permanent bolt on this is if you have a flat tire, you want to be able to change this out really quickly. But you know what? We're gonna use blue Loctite. Oh well.
And if you have strong muscles like that, doesn't matter, huh, Greg?
Does not matter. This is a 10mm bolt, in case you're wondering.
I am wondering.
And that is blue Loctite, ladies and gentlemen. So now you have 4 total screws that come with the kit that are hex head. You have your bracket as well as the flag holder. You're gonna screw this in from the back side, just like so, like that, into both of these objects. So what we'll do is we'll just to show you, this is the orientation, and there are 2 sets. I'm guessing it's for the height that you prefer, like so. And then you're gonna go ahead and put this bad boy on there.
Don't forget to use Loctite on these.
We are so close to wrapping up the rear of this Jeep. In goes the flag mount. And the part we have been waiting for.
All right, show it off. All right. Whoa.
It's crazy.
Aw. That looks great.
That looks awesome.
All right, license plate. The license plate bracket did not come with any screws, so we are gonna use our friend zip tie for now and then see if we can house some screws at a later time. So let's just zip tie them on.
Arlene wants to chip in.
This guy.
Wow, you show those zip ties, huh?
I usually do. Here we go.
Let's do it. All right, the good news is we got one of these for our LJ as well. I can't believe I'm sitting here saying for our LJ. Kind of wild. What do you think?
It is wild.
So usually these go in really easily. We've used this on our TJ, but we got the different mount for the TJ. This one is a higher mount towards the radio. That, if you recall, on the red TJ, it was actually way lower by your leg. So this one should apparently just clip into place, and then we could go ahead and install that wired mount here. In the red TJ, we have the wireless charger, works well, but the wired one is the fast charging and should work even better. Let's see. We're gonna take off this adhesive here. Now we have an aftermarket stereo here, and we have some cool plans for this vehicle, but go ahead and remove the adhesive cover here. I might need your help.
Okay.
Using the supplied gap tool, go ahead and open this gap, and you're gonna just basically, so here we are, we're gonna put it right over here. And it's between that gap and this part tucks into this over here, and that's it, it's on. Now, very easy, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the other piece here, and it comes with some screws, and we're gonna basically just screw this on. And that's that. Once you do that, it's all done. Let's do that now.
You're gonna need a super tiny Phillip. Just grabbed one for Greg to put those 4 screws in.
We might as well just bolt this on before we put it on, so it's a little bit easier. So let's get that super tiny Phillip head and get to the work. So the nice thing about Pro Clips USA is they make interchangeable holders. So these holders, if you have just the base in each vehicle, if you buy a new phone, you don't need to replace the whole thing. You just need to replace at that point this phone specific holder. Now we haven't actually tried to see if this fits our phone, but I am sure it will, because it looks like it will. Why don't we actually test it out before we go any further? Let's see your phone. What's really nice about this holder is that it's fully adjustable, and it's kind of just right here, up at your eye level. Let's go ahead and put both of these screws back in and test it out with our phone. Arlene, what do you think?
I think it's pretty sleek. I'm excited to see it's charging.
This is actually really nice. I wonder how it's gonna block the radio, block the vents. We'll report back to you, so just be sure to follow us and we'll let you know. But just in generally speaking, I actually really like that location for navigation. It's nice because you don't have to take your eyes off the road.
Plug it in.
So you want to go ahead and size it up with your phone, and then go ahead and tighten down these screws. Once you tighten those screws, it'll lock in the size of your phone, case or no case, and you will be able to charge your phone. How cool is that? What do you guys think?
Dun, dun, dun.
We did 3 different mods on this video. We did the third brake light, the license plate relocator, and the flag mount from Rocks Off-Road, and the phone holder from
Proclips USA.
3 little mods that make a world of difference. Isn't that right?
No.
Why don't we just do the rest?
No. Thank you guys for coming along for the ride. If you liked any of the products that you saw on this install today, we will drop the link below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. This is episode 7 of a billion.
We probably have like 15 of these.
Yeah.
On next week's episode, we are going to be installing some other cool gadgets. Just as a, sneak preview, we have some stuff planned for this, like front bumper, possibly some fenders, perhaps a lift kit, perhaps some rims and tires. We're also going to do something really cool. As you know, I love to wire some things, so we're going to wire. Should I reveal it or not?
No, but stay tuned. We'll also do the LJ walkarounds with drop a line below if you want it in these series, or if you want to wait till this baby's done, and then we'll start the next series. I didn't see that happening. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss any of that content. Make sure to check us out on Instagram and TikTok. Stop it. No, please don't. Please don't.
And
Whoa.
off we go, friends.
See you later.